opening remarks. Please let's turn ourselves to Engineer Lumia.
Thank you very much. While we are waiting for our speaker, very short talent, to welcome all of us to this gathering. I'm standing here on behalf of my local set, the 79, 84 set. And I bring greetings from all of them. Bishop, sir, represented by our Reverend Father Felix Olaniyan, we want to welcome you to our midst. He is standing in for Bishop Akínkúnmi Oyèjọ́lá, the Bishop of Anglican, of Catholic, Ojo Catholic,
Yes.
Catholic diocese. You are welcome, sir.
Thank you.
While also we await the arrival of the Soldier General, also, I believe it's on his way. I want to appreciate our senior here, Professor Iludiri Adekunle. You are welcome. Also in our midst is our also senior brother, Olobella Ademiju. You are welcome. I think it's outside to see our guest speaker. We are expecting the other representative of the National Alumni Association to join us very soon. Some years back, we met here to celebrate 50-year anniversary of this school. And on that occasion, we agreed having seen the nature of the school, that will work on those buildings. My set agreed to work on the D set, but our senior here decided to do otherwise. But we will not quarrel with them. They've done it, and we are happy that they did a good job on that plot. Thank you, our principal, Dr. Vide. They used their seniority to push us aside. Then we now look at what do we do next? Our senior is always senior. I don't want to go and kneel down on pottery. So I came here, but unfortunately for me, I came with my daughter. I told my daughter so many things about this school, so many, that our school is the best. Our school is this and that. But to the shock of my life, I make mockery of myself that day. I called one of our mates, Gary, and as we're moving from block to block, I can see the smile. Say, "Daddy, is this your school?" "Daddy, is this your school?" I said, "Yes." No chair, no table. The old boss was parking between the block there. I said, "This is supposed to be, used to be our boss." He said, "This is your school that you told us about." I said, "Yes." So when you look at it, you can see this kind of a mockery smile in her face, and inside me, I felt so bad. I climbed the science class, that's the physics laboratory class. I asked her to please just wait. I want her to see more. The library was so bad. So on that note, I told my friends and my mates that we work on the library. But that is the only block that will be of advantage to the students. So we agree, and from that day we kickstart the process of innovation and handing over that we're doing today. And I want to appreciate my mates for joining hand to see that what we have today is a success. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you. Thank you. We give all dedication, they give everything. If you enter that building there, you will see a pond of water. The book was soaked. Yes. Soaked. rain, you see, this is how I was sleeping. I was sleeping to walk inside that place that day. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. And inside me, I was still wondering that whether we have the strength to carry out that kind of innovation. But to God be the glory, we have that building standing today. We have done the best available for us to do. We have put our best. So there's room for improvement, but that is what we have today, and I think the students will use it to the best of their ability, and that will help them. We try to call the Catholic bishop, but this work, this is their work. One of them, Reverend Lotia, used his resources to put this place in place. He came from Canada, spent his money with people of like mind, and we have this structure. You can see they are still standing till now. Sir, it's as if the church is far away from the school. And I don't think you should allow this school to go down like that. So we decided to call you to come and see what we are doing as those students. Our principal will tell you more about that, about what other people have done. When it comes to his time, he will tell you, I don't want to waste our time by giving you the various set to see that we have what we have today. We, as a school, are thinking of taking this school back because we see that the government cannot handle the school the way we want. This is our pride. It's our pride. We are proud to be part of this school. Sir, very soon you will hear from us. Very soon you will see what we intend to do, the whole students of this national body, and your very good self to see the way to take this school back. It's not impossible. Please, sir, we need your cooperation in this. We want this to be managed by the church and the whole students. We can form a governing board to look at how to manage this school and manage it well. The field you see here is the second, apart from OAU, there's no field in Ife like this field. There's no field in the whole of Ife like this field after OAU. But today, you see, and we have all everything you call about games. Hammer, this is, if you have ever had a hammer, you cannot see anywhere apart from OAU. We manage all that kind of thing, but now they are no more there again. Look at our table tennis, this thing, nobody can play there. Look at our, what they call this place, the basketball court, the lawn tennis, the handball, they are no more there. And this school is a pride there in sports. But today, that is not there. Yesterday I asked our principal about the results of the last SSC exam, and he told me something I don't like to repeat, that the thing is going down and it's not good. But this same school, you have people with aggregate 7. You have people that are A1, and when they finish, they are here to even teach us. And we are happy to have the like of Banbeton, of 81 set, the like of my brother of 80 set, the 77. We are proud. During prep time, they are going to give us a good drill. But today is not there. Sir, we need your support in getting this school back. Toginara is not here. When he comes, our principal, we do the talking, but I wish he is here to see, because the way I will talk to him, principal will not be able to talk the way I want to hit him. This school is already abandoned, and I don't see anything working in this school. I wish he is here to listen to what I want to say. I will pour my heart to him real well. Then to the school management, sir. Principal, you know the way our Father Cloutier and Aremu of them, very disciplined, very disciplined individuals. Sir, I want that discipline back in this school. It's as if discipline is missing. We are not butter and bread students there. Some of us are very hard. But it took the effort of Aremu and to make us to conform. I know the day Mr. Mamde had my ear. Eat your banana, my ear. So that is when we need it back, sir. It is one thing is for the government to fail, but also the management also is lacking. Sir, you are trying. The last principal, Mr. Ogunriran, also tried. But there was a day, the day I came, I saw a crawling plant on the building that housed the physics laboratory. That crawling plant is still there today. You don't need government to pull those that crawling this thing away. You don't need government to do that. The students should do that. You don't need. If you are approaching the D class, the physics laboratory now, you will see that crawling plant still there, and you will see the design of those that make a design on the wall. They are not good to look. We are not proud of it. And I want to also say that the block is not good for anything. If you are more than 50 kg, man, don't climb that step. The last 2 tracks is already spoiling. The concrete is already giving way. You can see the iron. Answer, you may think to be a student, you can be the teacher. If you can get a bag of cement and they put this thing back in place, I think it will go a long way. If you mean to